Hello and welcome to my channel, the place where I take you on RV tours, campground tours, to hiking destinations and so much more, including product reviews. Today I have the Hava compact countertop dishwasher. Now this dishwasher is great for RVs, apartments, dorms. This is great for the full-time RVer or for any campers that simply want to spend more time in the great outdoors instead of washing dishes. Also great for families with babies that have all those baby bottles that need to be washed. Now here are the specifications. It has a capacity of 2 place settings. It is 950 watts. The water tank capacity is 1.3 gallons or 5 liters. The noise level is 60 decibels. The product weight is 28.7 pounds. The product size is 16.86 by 16.75 by 18.05 inches. Here's a look at it in an RV. Now this is not a super big RV, it's just a 24-footer. So it's here on the counter, fits nicely between the sink and the cooktop. So let's set it up a little bit. So this is the drain hose, and I'm just going to put that here in the sink on the side and plug it into an outlet. Now it's ready to be used. So open it up, pop in your dishes, and it's good to go. It comes with this very detailed, easy to read user manual. There's even some instructions affixed to the top of the dishwasher for your convenience. The accessories that it comes with are this water pitcher to fill the dishwasher, a fruit basket for washing fruit, and this water inlet hose. Now this dishwasher has a very modern, streamlined look. There's a glass door, LCD panel on top, and there are 5 wash modes. There's normal, speed, soft, baby care heavy, and fruit, along with a dry mode. Now I've used all of these modes and my dishes have all come out pretty clean. Let's open this up and take a look inside. So pretty blue light in there. Can roll out that tray. It has a cutlery basket. There are 2 spray arms. There's one on the top and one on the bottom, along with a filter for collecting food particles. All right, now I'm going to show you how to set up this dishwasher and get some dishes washed. All right, time to wash some dishes. I've got the dishwasher plugged in. Next, I am going to put some water into the dishwasher. Now you can use your water inlet hose and connect it to the faucet, but I'm just going to use the pitcher because I find it easier. Now it takes about 3 pitchers of water. I'm going to remove this cover on top and pour the water on in. So that was one. And now for the 3rd pitcher of water. And there are the 3 beeps. So that means that it has enough water in it. So I'm going to close this up. And now I'm going to put the drain hose, which has this little suction on the end, into the sink. Make sure there's no kinks in it, and I'm going to suction that into place so that the water will drain right into the sink. So now it's time to load up the dishwasher. I'm going to put on my gloves and let's load it up. I'm going to start by putting my cutlery in the cutlery basket. For the knife, I'm just going to set it up here on this rack. A little casserole dish, and put that underneath. I'm going to load up some plates. As you can see, there's still some food particles on some of this dishware. I'm going to put some glasses in. Little dessert cups on top. Okay, and a large knife. I'm just going to stick this right on in on the bottom here. All right, let's get that on in there. So you saw all the dishes that are going in. I am going to add my detergent, and that goes right there. Okay, so now this is where you select the mode that you want. So like I showed you before, normal, speed, soft, baby care heavy, and fruit. I think I'm just going to use normal. So I have selected that by pushing on the mode button. You can use an extra dry mode with it, but I think I'm just going to let it do its own air drying. So now I'm going to go ahead and start it up. All right, so we are about 6 minutes into this wash cycle. And as you can see, it is working pretty well. You can see the water flowing in there and the detergent. So we will check back in 62 minutes. There are 2 minutes remaining, and it looks like it is going through the final rinse cycle. One minute remaining, and the water is now draining out into the sink. So it looks like it is now complete with the washing cycle. So it should be, yep, now heading on to the dry cycle. 60-minute countdown. We are now at 10 minutes left of the drying cycle, and at 10 minutes is when the blue light comes on, so you can see how the dishes have come out. Last minute. The washing is complete. Let's open up the door and take a look at the dishes. Everything just seems really sparkling clean, even the glass on the door. Look at the dishes. Now there is a little bit of water that did collect because of the way it's concaved. Check that out. Completely squeaky clean. Love it. Let's look at one of the plates. Completely clean. Silverware, nice and shiny. Look at that glass. All nice and clean. And now the casserole dish that had cheesy Brussels sprouts in it, completely clean and shiny. So my experience with this dishwasher, it's that it works really well, even the speed cycle, which is only 29 minutes. So thank you so much for joining me today with this product review of the Hava Countertop dishwasher. Please subscribe to my channel and join me for lots more videos, including product reviews as well as RV tours and so much more. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.